Action camera enthusiasts, brace yourselves because the GoPro Max 2 is finally here, or almost. After years of waiting, countless rumors and fierce competition from Insta360, GoPro seems ready to redefine the 360-degree camera game. But the big question is, can it outshine the Insta360 X4? Let's dive into what we know so far and see if the Max 2 has what it takes to crush the competition. Let's rewind for a second. The original GoPro Max made waves when it launched, delivering incredible 360-degree capabilities and top-tier stabilization. But it wasn't perfect. Overheating issues, limited customization, and tough competition held it back from true dominance. First impressions? This isn't just an upgrade, it's a total transformation. Gone is the boxy design of old. The Max 2 reportedly features a unique circular lens configuration that's both sleek and futuristic. And the ribbed body? That's not just for show. It's a clever way to tackle the overheating issues that plagued the original. This new design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about function. The modular build hints at endless possibilities, from swapping out parts for rugged shoots to customizing for vlogging or cinematic setups. GoPro is clearly stepping up its game here. Now let's talk about performance. If the rumors are true, the Max 2 is set to leapfrog its competition. Imagine shooting in 8K resolution, yes 8K, at 30 frames per second. Some even suggest it might push 8K at 60 FPS for short clips. That's not just a step up, that's a giant leap forward. Low-light photography has always been a pain point for action cams, but the inclusion of Sony IMX677 sensors could make dark, grainy footage a thing of the past. And those stitching issues you sometimes see in 360-degree videos? The Max 2 might fix that with better back-to-back lenses, giving you smoother transitions and professional-grade results. We've all been there, mid-adventure, and suddenly your camera overheats or dies. The Max 2's ribbed cooling system and rumored battery upgrades aim to eliminate those frustrations. While we don't have specifics yet, everything points to a device that lasts longer and works harder, rain, shine, or snow. Here's where things get really exciting. Word on the street is that the Max 2 could feature a small screen beneath the lens, making navigation and shot previews a breeze. No more fumbling with your phone to frame the perfect shot. GoPro's software game is also top tier. Their app already boasts some of the best editing tools and cloud storage options on the market. With the Max 2, we're expecting next-level stabilization, smart editing options, and maybe even AI-assisted shot suggestions. And let's not forget, GoPro has been pouring resources into R&D for this launch. Could we see features we haven't even imagined yet? It's very possible. At an expected price of $499, the Max 2 is set to offer incredible value, especially if it delivers on its promises. It's a direct shot at Insta360's dominance, and with the X4 also in the running, it's shaping up to be an epic battleground of 360-degree cameras. Look, the Insta360 X4 has set the bar high. It's a beast of a camera with features that have wowed creators. But GoPro has always had a knack for innovation and turning the tide in its favor. The Max 2 isn't just another camera, it's GoPro's chance to reclaim the top spot in the 360-degree market. Are you Team GoPro or Team Insta360? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for all the latest updates on the Max 2 and beyond.